In a world that continuously moves forward, where technology and time are ever-changing, abandoned cars stand as silent witnesses to the past. They lie still amidst barren fields, covered in dust and rust, bearing the marks of time and untold stories. Each vehicle, though aged and forgotten, holds memories of journeys and moments from bygone days. They are precious fragments, reflecting the shifting world around them and the relentless evolution of the automotive industry. The Studebaker auction will place on Tuesday, July 23, 2024, in Judah, Wisconsin, starting at 10 a.m. This event promises a wide variety of Studebaker models, including both trucks and sedans. In addition to July 23rd, there will be other auction events on July 19th in Browntown. This will be a fantastic opportunity for classic car enthusiasts who wish to own unique vehicles. Muscle cars are renowned sports cars known for their powerful engines, typically hailing from American brands. They captivate enthusiasts with their high performance and impressive design. Legendary models such as the 1966 Plymouth Barracuda and the 1966 Shelby GT350 not only deliver an exhilarating driving experience, but also boast a unique legacy, solidifying their status among car lovers. Orval's used classic cars, located in Delta, Colorado, is an ideal destination for classic car enthusiasts. With a diverse collection of models from past decades, Orval's offers not only unique vehicles but also vivid historical stories. Here, you can find legendary Ford Mustangs, stylish Chevrolet Camaros, and luxurious models like Cadillac and Lincoln, all meticulously maintained to preserve their original value and beauty. If you're looking for a car that provides not just transportation, but also the joy and pride of owning a piece of history, Orval's Used Classic Cars is a place you cannot miss. Vick's Classic Auto Parts and Cars, located in Chesnee, South Carolina, is a standout destination for classic car enthusiasts and auto parts seekers. With a spacious area, this place not only offers a treasure trove of classic car models, but also serves as a haven for those searching for rare components for their vehicles. Founded with a passion for preserving and restoring vintage cars, Vick's makes it easy for customers to find iconic models from decades past, along with hard-to-find auto parts. Additionally, Vick's hosts events and meetups for the automotive community, creating a space for enthusiasts to connect and share their passion. Combining quality service with a love for automobiles, Vick's Classic Auto Parts and Cars is truly an unmissable destination for classic car aficionados in South Carolina. At the recent auto show, a standout Camaro attracted significant attention from attendees thanks to its unique design featuring Lamborghini-style doors. These upward-opening Lambo doors not only created a striking appearance, but also provided a thrilling experience for spectators admiring the car. Everyone marveled at the perfect blend of the Camaro's sporty style with the luxurious, distinctive touch of Lamborghini doors, making the car the highlight of the event. The rare Nova sports car, with only 503 units remaining worldwide, is becoming one of the most valuable collectibles in the automotive enthusiast community. Its rarity is not only due to the limited production numbers, but also its exceptional design and performance. Car enthusiasts seek out these special editions not just for their financial value, but for the passion and history they represent. Owning a Nova is not merely about having a mode of transportation. It's about being a part of automotive culture, where each car has its own unique story. These Novas are often equipped with powerful engines and advanced technology for their era, delivering an exhilarating driving experience. As he entered the main area of the farm, he couldn't help but feel excited by the classic cars scattered everywhere, each one telling its own unique story. The author began the task of cleaning up, removing the accumulated dust and debris from around the vehicles. He discovered rare models, from classic coupes to old trucks, each marked by the passage of time. During his work, the author found not only cars, but also a variety of other antiques, from car parts to decorative items, all adding to the farm's rich history. In addition to cleaning, he shared interesting details about each car he uncovered, including their origins and current market value. Notably, he decided to open an eBay store to sell the items from these discoveries. The abandoned car yard in Kansas is a treasure trove of forgotten classic cars, perfect for vintage car enthusiasts. Here, you can explore a range of models from the 1940s to the 1960s, including the renowned Chevy Bel Air and Impala. However, finding these old cars in the yard is becoming increasingly challenging, which adds to the uniqueness and excitement of the visit. These vehicles are not just relics of the past, but also symbols of passion and innovation in the automotive industry. Your 1973 Challenger, Lilith, is indeed shaping up to be an iconic representation of American muscle cars. With its powerful design and impressive performance, it's bound to turn heads and deliver an exhilarating driving experience. If you're looking for customization ideas, there are plenty of online resources and guides that can help you tailor the car to reflect your personal style. Regular maintenance and repairs are essential to keep Lilith running smoothly and to preserve its value over time. The 1954 Chevy Skylark is not just a vehicle, but a symbol of the tragic criminal life of Bonnie Parker and Clyde Barrow. The couple began their criminal exploits in Texas in 1930, committing a series of robberies and disturbances across the U.S. over the next 4 years. The Skylark became their death car, marked by numerous bullet holes, reflecting fierce confrontations with law enforcement. This car is intertwined with thrilling tales of love, rebellion, and tragic death, making it an integral part of American criminal history. Bonnie and Clyde left a profound mark not only on the public's imagination, but also on popular culture, exemplifying the allure of outlaw figures. The Fiat Fiorino is a compact commercial vehicle that first debuted in 1977 and gained popularity in Europe for its practical design and efficient performance. When a Fiat Fiorino is abandoned, the usual procedure involves labeling the vehicle by local authorities and then relocating it to another parking area. This process helps ensure traffic safety and prevents the vehicle from remaining abandoned. Exploring an abandoned farm filled with classic cars is a fascinating and surprising experience. These old, dust-covered vehicles quietly await rediscovery. Each car is not just a mode of transportation, but a piece of history, holding untold stories. As explorers step into this space, it feels like entering a living museum, where long-forgotten treasures gradually come to light. These discoveries not only revive memories of the past, but also ignite a passion for understanding and preserving valuable cultural heritage for future generations. During an exploration of an abandoned factory in Portugal, a group unexpectedly discovered 17 abandoned classic cars. These vehicles not only hold historical value, but also reflect the growing popularity of classic car models within the automotive enthusiast community. Additionally, a woman found up to 50 classic cars in a dilapidated warehouse, indicating that these treasures are still being preserved and have the potential for restoration. These discoveries open up opportunities for restoring and preserving vehicles that are deeply marked by the passage of time. The 2001 Pontiac Sunfire is a standout sports coupe featuring a 2.2-liter L4 OHV engine that delivers 115 horsepower at 5,000 RPM. It comes with the option of a 5-speed automatic or manual transmission, catering to those who enjoy a dynamic driving experience. The Sunfire's design is youthful and vibrant, appealing to both young drivers and car enthusiasts. It's a great choice for those seeking freshness and style in a vehicle. Japan's largest car cemetery is a unique and fascinating destination, drawing the attention of many car enthusiasts. Located amidst vast rice fields, it houses dozens of classic cars, including iconic models like the Corvette. These vehicles are not only symbols of technology and design, but also living stories of the past, representing the pride of their former owners. Visiting this site requires some research and understanding of its exact location, but the reward is an unforgettable experience. Some car enthusiasts have conducted video tours showcasing this cemetery, highlighting the diverse range of abandoned vehicles, including famous Toyota models. It is truly an ideal destination for those who love exploring and learning about the history of Japanese automobiles. Abandoned cars are not merely relics of past technology and design, but vivid witnesses to stories and memories that have faded into history. Though covered in dust and overlooked by time, they retain their unique beauty and allure, rekindling the passion for exploration and discovery. When we look at these vehicles, we see not just the decline of technology, but also a deep connection to an era gone by, where each car is a piece of history waiting to be revived and preserved.